Sending a contract through HoneyBook is a streamlined process that ensures both you and your clients can review and sign agreements efficiently. Here's how to do it. Create or access a project. Navigate to the project section in your HoneyBook dashboard. Select an existing project or create a new one for the client you intend to send a contract to. Initiate a new file. Within the project workspace, click on Create File. Choose Contract from the list of options. Select or create a contract template. You can either select a pre-existing contract template or start from scratch by choosing Start from blank. If starting anew, input the contract details, ensuring all necessary terms and conditions are included. Customize the contract. Utilize smart fields to automatically populate client and project-specific information, such as names, dates, and locations. Ensure all variable details are accurate and tailored to the specific agreement. Add signature fields. At the end of the contract, insert signature fields for both you and the client. Assign the appropriate signatories to each signature line to facilitate electronic signing. Review and send the contract. Double-check the entire contract for accuracy and completeness. Click on Share or Send to dispatch the contract to your client. Choose to send the contract via email or generate a shareable link, depending on your preference. Monitor contract status. After sending, you can track the contract status within the project workspace. HoneyBook provides notifications when the client views and signs the contract, keeping you informed throughout the process.